Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Scenario Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the lentil soup with the most easiest way. Continue the video to know how we will make it. We will need for 2 pieces of tomato, small pieces of carrot and maggots cube, sliced onion and lentil, the normal lentil, and boiled water in the fire. Now we will add all the vegetables and the lentil in the water, then we will start to stir. Then we will cover and we will leave it till it gets boiled. And when it starts to get boiled, there will be some appearing on the face of the lentil soup. You can see it. We will remove it. Then we will cover it again and we will leave it to get ready. It will take at least 15 minutes and I'll come back. Now after 15 minutes it gets ready, we'll take it from the fire and we'll start to work in it with the hand blender. And I wish you're enjoying the video, so don't forget to share it with all your friends to try to make this lentil soup, and I will leave you with the video. Now we'll make something like sauce for the lentil soup, and here we have vegetable oil and we add for it garlic. And I will stir, but I will not remove my hand because it will stick and it will get burned. Also, I will not let the garlic to be more time in the corner of the tray because it will get burned and it will stick in this corner. And I will stir, but I will not remove my hand. Now I will add some of black pepper, cumin and turmeric for the garlic, and I will stir, but also I will not remove my hand. Then we will add it on the lentil soup. And here we will start to add it in the lentil soup, then we will stir, but I'm sorry because the camera stops. Here the camera stops when I was stirring because of the vapor that was coming out of the lentil soup. But I will stir, then I will leave it to get once boiled, then we will turn off the fire and we will put it in a plate and I will come again. And here we have the lentil soup with the most easiest way. Don't forget to share it and like for the video, subscribe to my channel, write your comment, and bye. See you in the next video.